Please stop starving civilians. If you ever wonder for one moment what you could have done during the Holocaust, you don't have to wonder because you are doing it now. You are witnessing the Holocaust of the Palestinian people, and you are all silent and therefore complicit. Silence is complicity. Silence is complicity. You are all complicit in the genocide and Holocaust of the Palestinian people. But the United States is